In 2026, stealth is no longer about hiding. It's about being too fast for the enemy's brain to process.
It's a turbine for takeoff and a scramjet for the sprint. It's the most complex engine ever built.
看，这是什么东西的影子？
模糊不清，但它却是虫菜。这意味着什么？
China spent $10 billion on anti-stealth radar. Dark Star just made it all obsolete.
If you can't see it, you can't hit it. And if you can see it, you're already too late.
But there's a reason the Pentagon hasn't officially acknowledged Dark Star. Because its real mission.
The problem with Mach 7 isn't the speed, it's the heat. At the heat, air feels like solid concrete. To survive,
This is the TBCC, turbine-based combined cycle. It's the holy grail of aviation. It takes off like a normal jet.
Standard GPS is too slow. Dark Star uses the stars and the Earth's magnetic field to find its way.
or you were, until the US figured out how to poke a hole through the plasma using high-power magnets.
There's nothing on radar. How are they seeing us?
By the time the radar sees the Ghost has already sent the coordinates to the fleet.
The Dark Star isn't just a plane, it's a targeting node.
It finds the target, shares the data, and lets other weapons do the dirty work while it vanishes.
There is one more secret. A payload that doesn't explode, but changes everything. They call it area.
One drone finds the target. 50 drones destroy the entire network. This is the kill web in action.
Quantum radar is great in theory, but at Mach 7, you don't have time for theory. By the time the photons return to the dish, the Dark Star has already exited the airspace. The world of black projects is moving faster than the news can keep up. Don't get left behind. Subscribe to Assembly Secrets and turn on notifications.
At these speeds, no human pilot could survive. The Dark Star isn't flown, it thinks. The AI on...
At Mach 7, the vacuum created behind the drone is so powerful it can disable smaller aircraft without firing a single shot.
It's already at the target.
The goal isn't to start a war. The goal is to show the enemy that their front door is wide open. When you can reach any...
But China has a secret sensor net that doesn't use radio waves at all. And the Dark Star just flew right into it.
You can hide from radar, but you can't hide from physics. The Dark Star is literally tearing the sky apart.
At 100,000 feet, there is no air for wings. It's all about thrusters and momentum.
The Chinese missiles are smart, but the Dark Star's AI is a predator. It's not just dodging, it's baiting them. It's leading the interceptors.
If the shockwave doesn't work, the Dark Star uses its digital sword, an HPM burst. A high...
The interceptor is down, but China has hundreds more. And now they've activated their Heavenly Eye satellite network. This is no longer...
To hide from a satellite, you don't use smoke. You use a plasma cloud, a temporary shield that makes you invisible to heat. It's like...
He's in the clear.
Wait, what about that one?
The US thought they were the only ones with a hypersonic drone. They were wrong. China just launched the Starry Sky 2.
The technology is equal, but only one AI survives. Subscribe to Assembly Secrets now. The technology is equal. The speed is equal. The only difference now is the AI. Who has the better code?
At Mach 7, you don't react to where the enemy is. You react to where they will be.
The Dark Star is designed to lose parts of its skin to keep the core cool. It's called ablative defense. It's a maneuver that forces both drones into the dense atmosphere to see whose structure breaks first.
The duel is over, but the Dark Star just received a signal from the moon, a signal that wasn't supposed to exist until 2030.
The Dark Star didn't fly to the Pacific just for China. It was listening to something from the moon, a signal that
In 2026, the moon is the new high ground. Whoever controls the signal controls the drones on Earth.
It's called cislunar dominance.
The Pentagon didn't build a spy plane. They built the first soldier of a war we haven't even named yet.
Is the end.
Ghost is in the machine. And the machine is now in charge.
Subscribe to Assembly Secrets. Our community is the only way to see the invisible. Join us.
The mission is over, for now. I'm Alex Carter. We'll see you in the next one.
Stay alert. Stay informed.